Something you didn't know about XRP and Ripple. When a team of developers and entrepreneurs watched Bitcoin struggle with constraints for many years, they created a new network that did not suffer these early defects. This is how XRP was born. Planning to invest in XRP? Do you want to know more interesting facts about XRP? Make sure to keep on watching. Welcome back, XRP Army. This is the XRP place to be. Keep you informed on all XRP and Ripple updates. In today's video, we will look at the technical analysis of XRP and its price predictions. Let's grow the XRP Lab community by pressing the like button and subscribing to the channel. The information in this video is given for entertainment and educational purposes and should not be considered a piece of investment advice, financial advice, or trading advice. No purchase of cryptocurrencies is recommended in our channel. Crypto markets are very unpredictable, and investing in crypto markets is risky. Viewers should do their research on cryptocurrencies before making any crypto investments and consult their financial advisors. Ripple is a settlement and exchange network for payments that can conduct global transactions. The concept is that Ripple is a trusted agent in a transaction between two parties because the network can rapidly confirm that the exchange has been conducted correctly. Ripples can make it possible to swap a range of fiat currencies, cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, and goods such as gold. XRP is the digital payment network which works on RippleNet. This occurs at the pinnacle of the distributed XRP ledger database. The XRP ledger is open source, based on the distributed ledger database rather than on a blockchain. The nature of this ledger and consensus mechanism gives some of XRP's desired qualities. It requires no mining, and consensus does not require repeated immutability confirmations, making transactions faster and more efficient than other cryptocurrencies for processing. This distributed database of ledger has been expanding throughout all these platforms in constantly improving price patterns, with competitors like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Although initially deemed susceptible yet capable, researchers focused on Ripple XRP, focusing on the price movement and the feeling that it's continually demonstrated. Ripple's most important and obvious feature is its quick and secure payment interface, which allows customers throughout the world to be fully customized without the burden of the government or any other financial entity. Before we start talking about the price prediction, Ripple's foothold was identified by Ryan Fogger in 2004, who first launched the Ripple payment network. Soon, Jed McCaleb and Chris Larsen reigned in 2012, the time when Ripple generated waves. This was the year 2012. Jed McCaleb served as Ripple's CTO until 2013. The XRP ledger was originally named Ripple because of how the technology enabled payments tear through several hoops and currencies. In the ISO standard 4217, the designator selected the XRP ticker symbol for the phrase Ripples and the X for non-national currencies. Ripple Laboratories, the corporation, registered. In 2018, it later selected the company name and XRP for a digital coin to prevent confusion with like names. It is wonderful to watch how the coin went through its historic voyage through technical analyses throughout the years. With a modest $0.0058, XRP cryptocurrency entered the crypto market and remained on the same level for several months. Then, the Ripple network news was transmitted over Tokyo Mitsubishi in 2017, and the journey for that historic platform was completely modified. At the end of December 2017, XRP was a challenging trip because it was a bit cryptocurrency by Bitcoin and others. However, XRP re-exhibited regularity in price levels, market cap, and proactive market feelings after February 2018. Looking at the previous price movement and the price forecast of the XRP over the last year, the currency traded in January 2020 at $0.25, with a market cap of around $9 billion. The Ripple coin got slightly dynamic later, and XRP's price got above $0.25 about its resistance. Ripple price rose and accounted for over 150% of initial price performance by the beginning of March 2020 and was at roughly 35 cents. It didn't continue, but then began to fall when its price dropped to 15 cents by the end of the quarter, i.e. March. Surprisingly, Ripple prices restored their position in April 2020, despite a global pandemic epidemic and unacceptable record prices, and still struggle to compete with leading cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin, ETH, Litecoin, etc. And according to the XRP pricing projection of the last year, Ripple cryptocurrency could continue to manage its position and price range for the short term. Ripple has recently been stuck with the SEC dispute, once Ripple gained access to the SEC's internal papers. However, the cost increased tremendously and even reached a price mark of $1. In the last year, the XRP price prediction for wallet investors was that the XRP would cross the $0.6 mark by the end of 2021. It has crossed a mark of $1 and continues nevertheless. In addition to Ripple's pricing perspective, recent cooperation and institutional support will have a favorable effect. Ripple price has been supported by some of the bigger investment and the number of partnerships/events with crypto firms that show many believe in the currency and its recent price forecast and price changes. In contrast to other major currencies like Bitcoin and ETH, it could significantly improve by the end of the year and reach a high price of $3.84 in the previous year. According to our short and long-term technical and Ripple price prediction, the cryptocurrency price by the end of 2022 could amount to about $5, as it was constructed to replace most of the fiat currencies. If XRP adoption takes place, the coin can reflect a bull run, and XRP prices could rocket in the long term. According to Ripple's long-term price prediction, XRP was chosen as a bright, optimistic game to record unambiguous price rises within the area of $10 to $15. The most workable concept, though, is to assume these price levels to be medium. The future of XRP as a cheap and convenient digital asset could inspire mass adoption. In the next 5 years, the price may surface by an average minimum of $6 in the long run. The difference between Ripple and Bitcoin. The Ripple network uses a unique distributed consensus process rather than a blockchain mining concept to confirm transactions where participating nodes check the authenticity of a transaction via a survey. Without a central authority, practically rapid confirmations are possible. As such, XRP continues to be decentralized and more quickly and reliably than many of its competitors. It also indicates that the XRP consensus system uses negligible amounts of energy than the energy hog Bitcoin. Due to the complicated and intense nature of mining in the cryptocurrency, confirmations might take several minutes to validate Bitcoin's transactions and include high transaction costs. In seconds, XRP transactions are confirmed and often occur at extremely low prices. XRP transactions are charged, similar to the Bitcoin fee for processing transactions. A modest amount of XRP is charged to the user, person, or organization every time a transaction is made on the Ripple network. Approximately 1 billion XRPs were launched and progressively issued by their principal investors. In contrast, the supply of Bitcoin is limited to 21 million, which means that only 21 million Bitcoin will ever exist. The artificial shortage of BTC contributed to investor interest as a value of store in its potential. As miners find them, Bitcoins are freed and added to the network. They don't stick to a release timetable, and their delivery primarily depends on network speeds and algorithm difficulty. An intelligent contract monitors XRP release. Following an existing smart contract, Ripple plans to distribute up to 1 billion XRP tokens every month. The current circulation amounts to approximately 50 billion. Any unused XRP fractions will be returned to a copyright account in a certain month. This technique ensures that there is no chance of abuse because of the over-provision of XRP crypto coins, and all crypto coins are available many years prior. The difference above shows the fundamental work of Ripple while working in a slightly more advanced way. For less processing time and lower transaction prices, the Ripple system scores better than the Bitcoin network. On the other hand, BTC is broader and better known than XRP, which in other ways gives it its advantage. Bitcoin remains a truly public system that does not belong to any single person, government, or authority. The Ripple network is a private firm with the same name but is decentralized. The two major virtual systems serve diverse needs, despite both their cryptocurrency currencies. Apart from all this, it does have some disadvantages. One cause of the popularity of cryptocurrencies was that they were decentralized and took control of huge banks and governments. The centralized Ripple system is opposing this ideology. When to release coins, Ripple Labs determines how to govern them versus other cryptos, when coins are distributed by mining slowly and constantly. This means that Ripple Labs can impact XRP's value by choosing when and how many tokens they need to distribute. The SEC launched a lawsuit against Ripple in 2020, alleging that the business should have registered it as a guarantee, since it may select when to release XRP. It may hinder institutional use of the system until the problem's fixed, but now the judgment seems to favor Ripple. So the prices will rise as per the predictions by the various analysts. With this, we've come to an end. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Let us know in the comment section whether you hold XRP or not. Make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time at XRP Lab.